Is it beautiful or what? Look at the spring. More here. How clear the water is. If you see over there, I'm gonna show you how it goes to the river first. It just flows straight to the river that way, okay? And then if you come over here on this side, you're gonna see it's like a little hole over here, which I see a bass right there. See a bass right there. And here's where the water coming out of the spring. Yeah, coming from out of the ground. You see how the water's coming out of there? Well, what it does, it comes out of the ground in there, and then it goes to this hole right here, and then it goes straight out that way to the river. Cool, super cool.